Greetings and good vibes, everyone. I'm Shelly from Paternity Pros in East Orange, New Jersey. I help families get answers through accurate and confidential DNA testing. Today's video is for single mothers in New Jersey who need to establish paternity, be it for legal reasons, child support, benefits, or just peace of mind. Establishing paternity is more than just a name on paper. It can impact who has legal rights to the child, who can claim benefits or insurance, child support, custody or visitation down the line, even access to medical history. Whether the father is involved, inconsistent, or just completely absent, a legal DNA test can help make things official. If you're not married when the child is born, paternity isn't automatically established in New Jersey. That means the father's name won't go on the birth certificate unless both parents sign what is called a certificate of parentage. They can do this at the hospital or at the local registrar's office. If that doesn't happen, you'll need to establish paternity through the court or a legal DNA test. A peace of mind test might give you answers, but it won't hold up legally. It must follow proper collection procedures. At Paternity Pros, we handle legal paternity testing, which means samples are collected by a certified DNA agent like myself. We verify IDs and chain of custody, and everything is sent to an accredited lab. Results are legally admissible in court when it's done that way. Testing typically involves a cheek swab from the mother, the child, and the alleged father, and if he's not available or if he refuses, the court may help you to order testing. If the father refuses testing or denies involvement, you can file a petition with the New Jersey Family Court to establish paternity. The court may order DNA testing. They may cover the cost of the test based on your and the alleged father's income, or they may order you to get testing at a private facility like mine. If he refuses the court order, the judge may assume paternity by default. If you're filing for paternity through the court, keep copies of any paperwork you submit or receive, and write down your case number. It might seem small, but staying organized is very important, especially if you need to follow up with the court staff later. At Paternity Pros, I've seen how a little preparation can make the process feel a lot less overwhelming. So if you're facing resistance, you still have options, but it starts with understanding your rights and acting early. The earlier you start the process, the better. It helps with locking in child support, gaining access to medical history, avoiding legal complications later, and ensuring both parents are legally accountable. Waiting can lead to frustration or delays, especially if the father becomes unreachable or uncooperative. Starting now gives you and your child clarity and protection. At Paternity Pros in East Orange, we provide legal paternity testing, informational testing when you just want to know for personal reasons. We do it in a respectful and confidential way, and we coordinate with attorneys, various agencies, or the courts when needed. My job isn't to judge or advise. I collect samples, ensure accuracy, and give families the confidence they deserve. Whether you're just curious or need proof for court, I can help you figure out which type of test is right for you. If you're a single mom in New Jersey and you're unsure about the next steps in establishing paternity, you are not alone. You don't have to navigate this process in the dark. If you can afford an attorney to help you with this process, that's a great choice. If you cannot afford an attorney, The New Jersey state website does provide a lot of information, and they have forms that you will need to complete to get the process started. But if both parties agree and you're ready to jump right into testing, visit paternityprosnj.com to book your test and give us a call. We'll take care of you. Until next time, this has been a true story by Paternity Pros.